Jammu and Kashmir has a long and documented history of earthquakes, stretching back for centuries. Jammu and Kashmir lies in the collision zone between the Indian and Eurasian plates, creating immense pressure and frequent seismic activity. Northern India and northern Pakistan is situated at the corner of an active destructive plate boundary that separates the Indian plate from the Eurasian plate. The boundary is defined along the main Himalayan thrust, where the Indian plate is colliding with the Eurasian plate. Year 1555, the most destructive recorded earthquake, estimated at over magnitude 8. Extensive damage and loss of life are believed to have occurred. Details are primarily based on historical chronicles. 1505, earthquake of magnitude 7.6, causing significant damage and casualties. Information primarily from historical accounts. Year 1842, another earthquake of magnitude 7.5, inflicting widespread damage. Details gleaned from historical records. Year 1885, magnitude 7.5 earthquake, causing significant destruction and casualties, particularly in Baramulla. Information mainly from historical sources and early seismic data. 1905, Kangra, earthquake, magnitude 7.8 earthquake, affecting Jammu and Kashmir with widespread damage and thousands of casualties. This event marked the beginning of precise seismic data collection in the region. 1974, Patton earthquake, magnitude 6.4 earthquake, causing damage and loss of life in the Patton area. 1988, Kinnaur earthquake, magnitude 6.4 earthquake, affecting Kinnaur district and neighboring areas with significant damage and casualties. 2002, Astor earthquake, magnitude 6.4 earthquake, hitting the Astor district in Pakistan and causing damage across Jammu and Kashmir. 2005, Kashmir earthquake, the most devastating earthquake in recent history, with a magnitude of 7.6. Epicenter in Pakistan-administered Kashmir, but impacting all parts of Jammu and Kashmir, India, and neighboring regions. Over 80,000 deaths and widespread destruction. This event significantly impacted the region's infrastructure, economy, and social fabric. 2014 Bhaderwah earthquake, magnitude 5.7. Earthquake, causing damage in Bhaderwah and surrounding areas. 2019 Ramban earthquake, magnitude 5.7 earthquake, causing damage and landslides in Ramban district. 2021 Doda earthquake, magnitude 4.3 earthquake, causing no significant damage. Jammu and Kashmir is predominantly in seismic zone 4th, with some areas bordering zone 5th, indicating a high to very high risk of seismic activity in the region. In seismic-prone Jammu and Kashmir, prioritizing safety involves enforcing strict building codes, preparing emergency kits, securing heavy furniture, and conducting regular earthquake drills. Integrating earthquake-resistant principles in construction, maintaining critical infrastructure, and utilizing early warning systems enhance overall resilience. Additionally, developing post-earthquake recovery plans is crucial for a swift and organized restoration of essential services.